Hello, hello, good morning. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day for everyone, especially to my father and my brothers. So happy Father's Day, all friends, everybody. So now it's like going to work and I'm back again. And well, we have a Father's Day special today and we have a buffet, all you can eat. So that's our brunch. So I see you there. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and check out my Facebook page and then my IG. All right, I see you there. All right, we're moving now. Going to work. Past few days, like keep on raining and still cloudy today, but looks like it's nice. But but anyway, the buffet is gonna be a tides upstairs, so it's gonna be good. We have like special drinks also for today. I think includes the brunch. I think you have to add like another $30 for unlimited prosecco, local beer, and then I think a margarita. So let's see what is in the menus today. Anyway, there's brunch. Yep, looks like nice today. Kind of cloudy on the other side, but on this side this looks like nice, sunny. So we'll see if this is gonna be good. Kind of windy. If you're outside today, it's like kind of windy. Yeah, it's still good. At least no rain yet. Got it. What you see right now is a Moritz Resort. Next to the Moritz is the Wyndham Reef Resort. So yeah. Here we go. This big parking space down here. So yeah. Alright, we arrived to the venue. Nice. Hi guys, how are you? Doing good? All right. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
This for today. This is our brunch. This hoodie tree, Reuben sandwich, and then the cold is coming soon. It's like most probably oyster, tuna, salmon, tuna, and the chef Philip down here. I
Chef extraordinaire.
yes, tuna tataki. It's potato bacon, caprese burrito, rib salad, devil eggs, and a Mediterranean pasta salad. And then the whole roasted suckling is coming. And this Uncle Gopi over here. Philip.
Hi, how are you? Happy Father's Day.
So this the dessert. Dessert. Blondie. Snowflakes down here. The chocolate mousse. Bounty. You got the mud cake. And you get dark chocolate mousse cake. Brownie. And then we have over here is a fondue. So it's coming soon. Alright, that's a fondue. So the guests start coming in now. All right. So this is my gadget for margarita.
Sorry.
Similar like laboratory lab.
Huh?
Similar like laboratory, chemistry lab.
Riesling. Over here. This is Riesling. What else?
One rum punch, one white tip.
Rum punch. Okay, this little bit of drama. Drama.
One Chardonnay.
Here we go. Give this to Guppy. That's the white tip. That's the white tip.
So when they punch up unlimited bubbles,
Yeah.
just wait to see what they want because they can
Okay.
choose any of those. Maybe they want unlimited margarita, no?
Okay.
They can mix them. Nobody can drink 2 bottles of prosecco to 2 bottles of very cold.
Huh?
Very cold.
I just point in this.
No, it
Yeah.
doesn't matter. Us, we're gonna come to say some idiots here to record.
Huh? One more mimosa.
Doesn't matter to put to 600 liters prosecco. Or 300.
So this the special mojito with prosecco. With prosecco. Special mojito with prosecco. Hey, dip. Not allowed. Get this back. Get this back. Take it. Gabriel, take this orange, please. Take the orange back. Tell him it's not allowed.
Yeah, well, for mojito, mojito is today, not tomorrow.
No, for Monday.
So what is this mimosa mojito or what is this mojito one?
Comprende.
¿Ah?
Comprende.
Diferente, no?
This is the best mojito that you can taste. You know?
Do you
I
put some club soda? You're gonna put club soda in there or no?
yeah, put a little bit of club soda. I will not let enjoy this. Comprende.
Marimar.
Marimar. Marimar. You know that the huh?
Burgos,
Yes. You watch it too? My goodness. I don't have cross eyes to put on top, so it looks nice. But over here, I don't have the cross eyes, so later to enjoy today with this, with the garnish, and you can leave and go. This for today, not for tomorrow. Yeah,
They ordered yesterday, but
yeah. There we
say
go.
we're giving him tomorrow. Okay?
This is the espresso. Espresso drama. Espresso drama martini, you know? What is that? Two espresso martini and what else? Gopi? What else?
Strawberry mimosa.
Strawberry mimosa. Alright, man. Enjoy, okay? Strawberry mimosa. Okay? Cheers. Enjoy.